Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we are back with more school-themed crafts, sharing with you how to make a version of American Girl's Nanea's school lunch. Make the pretty stackable lunch pail, sandwiches, sushi, and pineapple slices from simple crafting materials and household items. We love creating pieces from AG's historical doll line, and this 1940s lunch set is a wonderful addition to our collection. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For the lunch pail compartments, we are recycling cardboard tubes from packaging. They measure 6 centimeters in diameter and just under 3 centimeters tall. We also need paperboard. Take your tube and trace around the outside for the large circles, and also trace the inside for slightly smaller circles. Cut them out. We cut a large circle for the top compartment, along with 5 smaller circles, and 2 large circles for the bottom compartment. Glue your 2 large discs together so the blank sides of the paperboard is showing. Put a generous amount of glue around the rim of your tube and adhere. Next, stack and glue your 5 smaller circles. Glue them to the largest circle, making sure you have an even gap around the edge. This is how we will stack the 2 tubes. Glue the larger disc to your second tube. On the inside of this tube, adhere a thin strip of paper a few millimeters from the top. This will give the lunch pail lid a place to sit. To make the lid, trace, cut, stack and glue 3 small circles. Now we have all the parts, let's paint. To match Nanea's pretty blue, we mixed Reeves deep turquoise with white. Once dry, we can add the floral details. In pencil, lightly sketch the 5 hibiscus flowers. We referenced an AG stock image when copying the shape and size of each flower. Repeat for the other pail. Since our blue paint is highly pigmented, we gave the flowers a coat of white before adding the tropical colours. For this step, we used a tiny nail art brush. Here we did the pink centre sections first, then the yellow petals, and lastly the green leaves. Repeat for the top pail and set aside to dry. While waiting, we can finish the lid. Paint a scrap of 5 cm wide paperboard the same blue colour. Trace the curve of your lid onto both the right and left sides. Cut out, then bend to make tabs. Mark a 1 cm strip in the centre for the handle, then cut away the excess from both sides. Glue the tabs to the lid. To complete the lunch pail, we need the metal handle. Punch a hole on the left and right sides of the bottom compartment. Ours is about 1 centimeter from the top edge. For the handle, we will use this old wire coat hanger. Cut a 20 centimeter length, then bend it carefully over a can to achieve the curved top. Turn the end 1 centimeter of wire inwards as seen on screen. Insert the wire ends into the holes we made earlier. If needed, you can secure the wire with drops of hot glue. The metal handle swings easily, and our pretty stackable lunch pail is all ready for use. So let's make the food items. Here we have the sandwiches from our DIY Tea Time Treats and Tableware video. They just need a colour change. To make a delicious wholemeal bread shade, mix brown with white paint. Apply this lighter brown to the tops of the sandwiches and the concentrated brown colour to the crusts. Set aside to dry. For Nanea's Sushi Roll, we followed Faking It Mostly's excellent blog. A link will be in the description box. Simply cut 2 pieces of thick white fun foam 4 by 2 centimeters and place a strip of red fun foam in between for the fish. Press firmly to seal the sides, then wrap tape, in our case low-tack painter's tape, around the fun foam. Next, mix green with black paint to get that muted dark green seaweed colour. Paint the tape around your sushi and it's done. So cute and perfect for this set. For quick pineapple slices, cut a piece from a yellow pool noodle, then cut a wedge from the circle. Cut in half again for 2 matching pieces. Next, paint the top a dark brown. Here we used Reeves Burnt Sienna. Then adhere together with liquid glue. We hope you enjoyed this school lunch tutorial. Check out our AG School Crafts playlist for more DIY ideas. Hit that like button and turn on the bell so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!